completed? I had given you the story writing. We were doing the story writing, isn't it?
Ma'am, we are doing article writing.
Now we will begin. Now we had already begun.
Ma'am, already begun.
We
Question
had
दिया था
already
homework के लिए.
begun. Okay. So can you name the article that was given to you to write?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Night and
morning importance of morning walk.
Importance of
Important.
morning walk. Okay, fine, beta. Now, once again, before I just proceed with the article writing, once again we are going to look at the course, the syllabus that you are going to get. Okay? वापस से एक बार मुझे पर्सनली आप बार बार मैसेज करके कोर्स ना पूछिए. जब ऑलरेडी अनाउंस हो चुका है तो बार बार मत पूछिएगा उसको. So which chapters I told you? A letter to God,
Nelson Mandela.
Nelson Mandela, right? Then
Diary of Anne Frank.
2 stories about flying. This also?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then diary of
Anne Frank.
and 100 dresses.
हाँ.
Okay. And the
मैम पार्ट
poems.
2 भी है ना इसमें?
है? हाँ, part 2 भी
मैम
है.
पार्ट
हाँ हाँ. अब बताइए 100 dresses का. 100, not 100 dresses, poems. Yes. Which poems were done, beta?
Ma'am, you had said that you are not going to give us
But
poem this
tell
time.
me which poems ma'am had done earlier when I was not taking the class. Which poems were done?
मैम डस्ट ऑफ स्नो, फायर एंड आइस.
Fire and ice.
Dust of snow, fire and ice. Okay, fine. Right.
टाइगर इन द जू.
अच्छा ठीक है ठीक है. And the next one also, footprints without feet. Triumph of
Ma'am,
surgery, thief's story.
yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Footprints without
Footprint
feet.
without with
Speaking of a
the
scientist and the
necklace.
necklace. Okay, five chapters
And
from
then-
each. Okay. And then story writing and article writing and editing and omissions. What is it? Editing and omissions. Okay.
Ma'am, are you going to give us poems?
No, I said no, no, beta. Only 2 of the poems are there, na. I'll just see. I'll just only 2 of the poems you people have done, na. Dust of snow and fire and ice. Only these poems are done. ये 2 ही करी है ना आपने.
No, ma'am.
A tiger in the zoo. Okay, fine. चलो. और इसके अलावा the ball poem, how to tell wild animals. Done or not?
Yes, ma'am.
What yes? Have you done it?
मैं हाउ टू टेल तो कट गई.
हाँ, वही तो मैं पूछ रही हूँ. पहले बताओ तो मुझे कितनी पोएम्स करनी. बॉल पोएम कर ली.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, Amanda भी.
हो गई.
यस मैम.
Ma'am.
ओके. तो इसमें से हम क्या
Ma'am, I have some problems in the poem Dust of Snow and Fire and Ice.
अच्छा listen. We'll take 2 poems in the course. Okay. We can take the ball poem and Amanda, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so mark it down. Ball poem and Amanda also. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So, and besides this, editing and omission and article writing, it will be there. Clear? Now the course is clear to everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Five chapters from each of the book, 2 poems, Amanda and the ball. Okay. And editing, omission, and jumble sentences I may give you. Besides this, story writing and article writing. ठीक है, समझ में आ गया कोर्स? चलिए, start writing down the article. Have you written the article? Who tried to write down the article? Anybody who
Ma'am.
tried to? You have
Yes,
written,
ma'am.
Rahul? It's very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you read it out?
Yes, ma'am.
Just read it out, hurry up.
The Importance of Morning Walk by Anita Amit. A good physical workout is a key of healthy life. Control to the beliefs of the young generations. One does not need to spend hefty amounts in fashionable gyms to stay fit and healthy. One
Okay,
of the most
okay. Only
one
Rahul
of the
has written down. 1 minute. Only Rahul has done it. Harsh has done. Good. Who else? Who else? Now see, 3 participants have done. Okay. Harsh is there. Rahul Chaudhary, Samiksha. Very good. Now see, whenever we write down the article, what do we do in the beginning, beta? How do we begin writing down the article? How do we begin writing down the article? Hurry up.
Ma'am,
मैम
we
पहले
write the
टॉपिक
title.
लिखते हैं टाइटल
Okay,
इम्पोर्टेंस
yeah.
ऑफ
First,
In
मॉर्निंग
the
वॉक
center, we are going to write down the title. Okay. Importance
देन
of
नेक्स्ट लाइन
morning. Next line
देन
then.
नेक्स्ट लाइन बाय किसके द्वारा लिखा गया है वो अनीता
By it means the writer's name. Okay. Now it can be in either way. या तो आप हेडिंग के नीचे लिख दीजिए बिल्कुल सेंटर में, जहाँ हेडिंग लिखेंगे उसके बाद सेकंड लाइन में बिल्कुल सेंटर में यू कैन राइट डाउन द नेम ऑफ द राइटर. Okay. Or you can finish up the article writing and you can write down the name of the writer in the last on the left hand side. Clear? समझ में आया बेटा? या तो इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ मॉर्निंग वॉक और उसके नीचे बिल्कुल बीच में वापस से बाय अमित. ओके, दिस नेम वाज गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन ना. यदि वहां पर नहीं लिखे तो यू फिनिश अप द होल आर्टिकल एंड इन द एंड ऑन द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड, ओके, जहां पर हम लेटर्स के सब्सक्रिप्शंस वगैरह लिखते हैं तो वहां पर आप लिख सकते हैं नेम. Clear or
मैम
not?
एबीसी XYZ कुछ भी लिख
If
सकते
the
हैं
name
मैम
is not
जूनियर
given, Rahul, if the name is not given there in the question, then you are going to write down XYZ.
यस मैम
Okay, if the name is mentioned, ki suppose you are Amit, you are Rahul, or whatever name is there, okay? तो मतलब आप राहुल या अमित या जो भी है, अनुभव जो भी है वो बन के लिख रहे हैं ना, तो आप वही नाम लिखेंगे नीचे. क्लियर? और तुम्हें मालूम है कि
Yes.
आर्टिकल राइटिंग शुड बी ब्रीफ, इट शुड बी टू द पॉइंट, इट शुड बी कंप्लीट, ओके, एंड इट शुड बी इंटरेस्टेड एज वेल, एंड द लैंग्वेज शुड बी सिंपल एंड करेक्ट सो दैट इट कुड बी अंडरस्टूड बाय द रीडर्स. क्लियर?
Ma'am,
यस.
ma'am, we can write our name if the in the question the name is not given.
अरे what am I saying, Samiksha? You do not listen or what? What did I say just now? What did Rahul ask me? कि मैम ABC या XYZ हम लिख सकते हैं, तो मैंने क्या कहा कि यदि नेम मेंशन नहीं है इन द क्वेश्चन, देन यू आर गोइंग टू राइट डाउन बेटा. क्लियर
Yes,
और
ma'am.
नॉट? समझ में आया? यदि उसमें नेम मेंशन नहीं है तो आप लिखेंगे, सपोज ये आई हैड गिवन यू द आर्टिकल द डे बिफोर यस्टरडे की राइट है an article on importance of morning walk and you are Amit or Anita. यदि मैं ये नहीं देती कि you are Amit or Anita, then you would have written XYZ. Okay, you do not need to mention your name. And you're not, yes, you're not permitted, you're not allowed to mention your names, especially in the board exams. Okay, the name is always given. और सपोज कभी ऐसा होता है एक्सेप्शनल केस में कि नेम्स नहीं आते क्वेश्चंस में, तो हम XYZ लिखते हैं या इंस्टीट्यूशन का ABC. क्लियर समीक्षा?
Yes, ma'am.
वेरी क्लियर टू एवरीवन?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now so come to the article. Okay, I'll just give it to you an example to do it. Okay, write down morning walk. Start writing. Is of great importance
next-
in our. Yes, Rahul.
Next question. Next
No, the
question
same
again.
one. Many of them have not written now, so it would be a sample article for them. Okay, many
Yes.
of them have not written. Write down morning walk is of great importance in our daily life. Be fast, beta. Morning walk is of great importance in our daily life. Full stop. Due to it, we tend to get up early in the morning. Due to it, we tend to get up early in the morning.
मैम रिटेंड के बाद क्या?
Tend to get up early in the morning. Comma, put on our sports shoes. Put on our sports shoes and shorts and go to a nearby park. And go to a nearby park. Full stop. We are able to breathe in the fresh morning air. We are able to breathe in the fresh morning air. Which is refreshing cool. Which is refreshing cool. Which is refreshing cool. And energizing. And energizing. Which is refreshing, cool, and energizing. Full stop. We can feel our pulse going on. We can feel our pulse going on, comma, blood rushing through our body, blood rushing through our body after a brisk morning walk. We can feel our pulse going up, comma, blood rushing through our body after a brisk morning walk. Full stop. The walk energizes our body for the day. The walk energizes our body for the day. Full stop. We start feeling hungry at breakfast time. We start feeling hungry at breakfast time. We start feeling hungry at breakfast time, full stop. It has been observed that people who go for a morning walk, it has been observed that people who go for a morning walk, have been found to good at studies, and their retention abilities, retention, retention means to stop something, to control, okay? Retention abilities are better than those who do not go for a morning walk, full stop. They also stay active throughout the day. They also stay active throughout the day. Written?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone? Now take a question, take another question and write down. Should I begin?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you are Raghav slash Ragini. You are Raghav slash Ragini. Full stop. Write an article on the importance of breakfast. write an article on the importance of breakfast as a healthy food habit. Write an article on the importance of breakfast as a healthy food habit. Written, beta?
Ma'am, what is after breakfast?
As a healthy food habit. As a healthy food habit. Written?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'll just read it out, okay? You can take hints from it. A good, healthy, nutritious breakfast really sets you going for whatever challenges you may face the rest of the day. Some people hold jobs where they do not get time for even a quick bite, but are not plagued by hunger pangs if they have had a hearty and wholesome breakfast. कई बार लोग इतना बिजी होते हैं कि कुछ खा नहीं सकते, लेकिन यदि बहुत अच्छा सा, बहुत हैवी, अच्छा हेल्दी सा ब्रेकफास्ट लिया है तो they hardly feel hunger. We Indians tend to indulge in 3 meals per day, and most of us lead sedentary lifestyles. This makes us overweight, lethargic, and less energetic. A glass of juice, a toast, bread or butter, a couple of boiled eggs, and maybe tea or coffee or milk will go a long way in sustaining us for the rest of the day. A heavy meal only makes one drowsy and one cannot concentrate on anything. Starting your day with a good breakfast is one of the best health decisions you can make. If you miss breakfast, you could end up having more calories in your body. That is unhealthy for everyone, especially growing children. Okay, so now I had read the passage, the article for you. You can take the hints and complete it. Fine, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, 10:30, you know you have to start submitting your project, right? On your class WhatsApp group. वापस बोल रही हूँ, समझ में